Welcome guys to Imoki Island, the hidden paradise of the north. Yeah guys, this is the hidden paradise of the north. Yes guys, this is really paradise. As you can see guys, ang ganda-ganda talaga ng water. It's crystal clear. Yes, makikita mo talaga ang dami mga isda. Nag-snorkeling ako ngayon dito. Nakikita ko ang dami mga little fishes. Ang ganda-ganda ng water guys. It's very crystal clear.
I walked across an empty land. I knew the pathway like the back of my hand. I felt the earth beneath my feet. Sat by the river and it made me complete. Oh simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. I came across a fallen tree. I felt the branches of it looking at me.
Ang Imoki Island ay napakaganda talaga guys. Matatagpuan ito dito sa Paraweir, Balawan, La Union. As you can see guys, underrated ang place na ito. Actually, this is really very beautiful place to visit in here in La Union. One of the most beautiful for me actually. As you can see guys, very majestic ang place. Very
Perfect for Instagram
malinis
pictures.
at saka makikita mo talaga ang virginity
Very
ng place.
lovely.
Very nice. This is not my first time here. This is already my second time to visit this place actually. As you can see guys, maganda talaga and at the same time very
Majestic.
friendly and hospitable ang mga tao dito. Napakalinis ang tubig guys, napakaliwanag. Makikita mo talaga ang underwater pag
Ang mga bato-bato, it's very clear. Of course, kailangan lang ninyo guys magsuot ng aqua shoes kasi medyo matatalim ang mga bato dito guys. Kailangan lang talaga mag-aqua shoes para hindi kayo ma-aksidente whatever. As an artist myself, na-appreciate ko ang view dito guys. It's very majestic yung elemental views. Makikita mo ang water, land, and sky. Maganda talaga ang view dito guys. Actually pag mag drone shot kayo, very majestic, makikita nyo ang outcome ng mga drone shots ninyo. Actually may tatlong lagoon dito guys. Tatlong lagoon. Yes guys, tama ang narinig ninyo, may tatlong lagoon. Ang first lagoon, second lagoon, and third lagoon. Ang ganda ng mga lagoons nila dito guys. Tatlo sila. This is not man-made. This is natural. This is really a masterpiece by our Almighty God. Yes, very natural. Yung mga mahilig sa art and photography, I know that you're gonna love this place. This is really an amazing place to visit in here in La Union. Well guys, pagdating ninyo dito guys, maraming mag-a-assist sa inyo. Actually, may entrance fee for only I think like 50 pesos lang ang entrance fee nila. May mga tour guide din guys. May mga tour guide and at the same times mga bangka na pwede ninyo sakyan, mga balsa.
i-rent lamang ninyo, inquire lamang ninyo sila dito sa may Dalampasigan. Mayroon din sila mga crystal kayaks, guys. Amazing. May mga for renta cottages din, guys, at saka may mga food nagbebenta, and of course mga giveaways and mga pasalubong areas bago kayo makarating dito, guys. Dadaanin ninyo yon, and at the same time marami mga cottages for family and friends. Sana sa mga visitors and mga turistas na pupunta dito, panatiling malinis ang lugar. Keep the place clean, and all the time yung mga kalat ninyo kailangan ibalik ninyo sa mga dapat kalagyan. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Julas Touch. Maraming salamat. See you on my next vlog. Bye! Mabuhay!